Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. As promised, here's after video of our interior floor. We got this guy tore out one day, prepped the next, and poured it the third day. Got a nice rich 4,500 PSI mix. We like to cut our slabs up with lots of control joints. Slabs like this are going to expand and contract a little bit over time. We do that to make sure that anything that opens, any cracks, they do it in the control joints like they're supposed to. You can follow this project from the start on our website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on our YouTube link, and you can watch close to 2,000 videos of our projects. It's beautiful. It's Jade Alpine. We'll see you guys out there.